From an SEO perspective in India, what you'll find is a lot of websites over the last few years have done a lot of stuff which is questionable, to say the very least. Whether it's link building tactics or keyword stuffing, etc. And it's very common, but I think it comes down to a lack of awareness in the Indian market. A few years ago, we didn't have conferences such as SES or AdTech, etc. But I think in the last 1 year, one and a half year, things have changed a lot. So a lot of education is now coming into the Indian market. Google Panda and Penguin is, I think, forcing a lot of Indian companies to change their tactics as well. They are now being able to tell their clients that, hang on, you can't just go and submit hundreds of links every month. It has to be good quality content, etc. So I think that's where the Indian market is now. People are starting to look at quality. 2013, I'm going to say that people are going to allocate more budgets from offline channels to online. So essentially, if you have previously, you might have had companies allocating maybe in single-digit budgets to digital. I think that's going to start increasing. In India, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, there was only about 30 million internet users. Latest figures are about 150 million internet users. I'm not talking mobile as well. When you talk about mobile, you add probably another 50 million internet users on top of it. So marketers are starting to see how big the Indian internet market is becoming, and therefore they're allocating more budgets, and also it's going to become a lot more clean in terms of link building and SEO, etc. as well.